Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Forza Horizon 5 on Android Unlimited Time step by step. First, download Xbox Cloud Gaming or set up Steam Link on your PC and enable Remote Play. Next, connect a controller and use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired PC to reduce lag. Then, adjust streaming quality and input settings for responsiveness. Finally, test a race to confirm consistent performance before long sessions. In this video, I will show how to play Forza Horizon 5 on Android Unlimited Time step by step. Start by installing the Cloud Gaming app or Steam Link and signing into your account. Pair your controller and grant necessary permissions so the app can stream smoothly. Make sure your device stays charged and disable battery savers to avoid interruptions. Finally, confirm your account has access to Forza Horizon 5 before launching a session. In this video, I will show how to play Forza Horizon 5 on Android Unlimited Time step by step. Quick recommendation: for those long races, try Darn Tough Socks for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for marathon sessions in the controller chair. If you want one, check the description for the link and deals, and if this helps, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to play Forza Horizon 5 on Android Unlimited Time step by step. Tweak streaming resolution and frame rate to balance visuals with responsiveness, favoring frame rate for racing. Close background apps and set your phone to performance mode to stabilize FPS. If possible, connect your phone to a fast 5 GHz router or hotspot and prioritize the device on your router to keep latency low during long play sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.